Okay. Yes, very good morning to all of you. I'm fine, dear. All of you fine now? And how was your exam? How was your exam? All of you given your exam well? Yeah, right. Okay. Now let's continue with the next syllabuses. Okay, and I want to tell you that all of you please go through the offline YouTube classes. I have done so many things over there during this time. I have done so many things over there. All of you please go through your offline YouTube classes very well. Okay, and you can find over there that I have done so many things. Okay, and the chapter I was doing, that is, you can see the tailor and his friend. I have completed the reading and also given you some spellings to practice. And from the exercise part, from page number 117, I have given you from the reading is fun part. You can see 5 questions over there. I have done 3 questions from these, and today I will do the rest of the 2 questions. Okay, today I will do rest of the 2 questions. 3 questions I have done. The first one, who was Kalu? The answer is Kalu was a tailor. Number 2, who was Appu? The answer is Appu was an elephant. And number 3, where was Kalu's shop? The answer will be Kalu's shop was near the river. Okay, and I have also written these, so go through the YouTube offline classes, you can find over there. Okay, and the rest 2 questions, that is number 4 and number 5, I will do now. Number 4, what trick did Kalu play on Appu? All of you write it down very carefully. Take out your copy. What trick did Kalu play on Appu? All of you take out your copy and write these answers. Okay, so one day Kalu played a trick on Appu. One day Kalu played a trick on Appu. One day Kalu played a trick on Appu. When Appu came to Kalu's shop, when Appu came to Kalu's shop, when Appu came to Kalu's shop, instead of giving him food, instead of giving him food, Kalu pricked Appu's trunk. Kalu pricked Appu's trunk. Kalu pricked Appu's trunk with a needle. With a needle. So this is the answer. All of you write it down very carefully without making any mistake. I am repeating once again. What trick did Kalu play on Appu? So the answer goes like, one day Kalu played a trick on Appu. When Appu came to Kalu's shop, instead of giving him food, Kalu pricked Appu's trunk with a needle. Okay? All of you write it down carefully and let me know that you have completed or not, because the next question I will write. All of you have completed? Let me know, because the next question I will write now. Done? One day Kalu played a trick on Appu. When Appu came to Kalu's shop, instead of giving him food, Kalu pricked Appu's trunk with a needle. Okay, write it down fast here because the next question I will write now. Okay. Done all of you? Okay. And the other ones, I will erase the board. Write it down fast here. Okay, so I'm erasing the board and I'm writing the next one. Okay. Number 5. How did Kalu's clothes become wet? How did Kalu's clothes become wet? So we can write it like Kalu's clothes became wet Kalu's clothes became wet as Appu filled his trunk Appu filled his trunk with river water and he reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere all the new clothes became wet. All the new clothes became wet. So this is the answer. All of you write it down carefully. I am repeating again. How did Kalu's clothes become wet? Kalu's clothes became wet as Appu filled his trunk with river water and he reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. All the new clothes became wet. Okay? Write it down. And all of you write it down, and with that I am discussing something that in let's talk part you can see there are some questions that you can write it on your own. It is that what do you do when someone troubles you? You will write your own feelings, and then it is said when you are angry you will write it on your own feeling, and when you don't want to share whatever you feel, you will just state. And when someone asks you for a pencil, what would you do? You would just simply share your pencil with them, right? Okay, so these are the things is all about how you feel. You will write it on your own. And in the let's share part, you can see the two questions, that what games do you play with your friends? The games you play with your friends, you will write it on your own. The games you like to play or you play with your friends, you will write it. And then, can you walk and make sounds like an elephant? This is also would be your own feeling, that you can do or not. If you can do, then you will write yes. If you cannot, then you will write no. Like this is this how. And there's nothing in the page 117 now. Turn to 118. Turn to 118. You can see there is a yellow colored box at the beginning of the page, and you can see some of the words are here. Let's read these words. I'm reading. All of you try to read this with me. Jam, jeep, joy, jug, juice, pan, pen, pick, pink, put, year, yell, yellow, yes, young, zebra, zigzag, zip, zoo, zoom. Okay, all of you try to pronounce these with me. And you can see there is a second part that you can see we need to pick out the odd one out. So we need to pick the odd one out. There you can see some pictures here, and amongst these we need to pick the odd one out. And the first line that has been done for us, you can see there is in the first line which pictures we can find: apple, banana, elephant and grapes. So amongst these, apple, banana and grape are fruits, and elephant is an animal. So here animal is the odd one out, right? In the second line, all of you try to answer me. In the second line, you can see Sunday, a moon, picture of a moon, Monday and Friday. So here the odd one, what can be the odd one? Can you tell me? Yes, moon is the odd one. Sunday, Monday and Friday are the weekdays, but moon is the odd one out here. In the third line, you can see a rabbit, March, May, April. Rabbit, March, May, April. So here, yes. So rabbit is the animal here, so that is the odd one out. Then in the fourth line, you can see, yes, Zarin, and that very good. In the fourth line, you can see a bus, a milk jug, a ship and aeroplane. So here, bus, milk, ship and aeroplane. Yes, milk jug is the odd one out, because bus, ship and aeroplane are vehicles, and milk jug is the odd one out. Right. Good. In the fifth line, you can see, there is book, eraser, cup or jug, you can say cup or pen. So here, yes, cup is the odd one out, because with book, eraser and pen, we need to study. So cup is the odd one out. In the sixth line, you can see onion, rose, tomato and carrot. Yes, Yad, right? Good. Rose. Here rose is a flower, so it is the odd one out. In the last line, you can see a doctor, postman, table and a tailor. So here the odd one out is table. Yes, table is the thing, so it is the odd one out. Okay? Right? All of you have completed. So this is how the chapter is also completed. Okay? Right? And the things you can do from here, I have already make you done. Okay? And all of you have written this question correctly. Okay? And this chapter is also done. All of you, please give your present now. Write your present in the chat box. Yes, Bithika. Right. Okay, fine. Correct. Yeah, right. All of you now, please give your present, and no one will leave the class until I finish. Okay? Okay. Okay, give your present. No one will leave. Okay, so I have taken all of you present, and all of you go through. I'm saying again that go through your YouTube offline classes very well. Okay, I have done so many things over there, and this is how the time is up also, and I have also completed the chapter. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye, all of you.